Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make grid to photo full guide. Start by opening your photo and choosing a grid size that fits the composition, then enable the overlay. Set grid spacing to match key focal points and decide whether to use rule of thirds or a custom layout. Align subjects to intersections, adjust crop, and check edges for balance. Save a copy and export at your desired resolution for sharing. Open grid settings in your editor and choose the type that suits your photo, such as rule of thirds or custom columns for architecture. Tweak opacity and color so lines remain visible without stealing attention. Enable snapping to lock elements to the grid precisely, and test different spacings to see how balance changes. Try both portrait and landscape crops to find the most pleasing alignment before finalizing and exporting your result. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support future videos and quick tips. On another note, here is a quick recommendation. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control, smart mapping, and effortless maintenance make it a handy time saver. Check the description for the link and other deals, then remember the tips we covered earlier. Now let's get back to the video. With your grid active, place the main subject on intersections for stronger composition and use negative space to create breathing room. Check horizon and vertical lines against the grid and straighten imperfections to maintain a professional look. Make micro adjustments of a few pixels and zoom in to confirm alignment. Compare different crops and choose the version that communicates your story best. Then lock settings and prepare your final export for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.